Hey everyone, in today's video, the tutorial is about how to download the Aviator Predictor application on your phone. It could either be an iOS or Android. So the first step is to simply go to your browser and search for the Aviator Predictor application, and then simply click on their official website to download the APK. After you have clicked on that website, you will simply click on this download v4.o APK. Uh, that is basically the application format. Then you have download, click on that and then just simply confirm it, and then it will go to your files on your what you want to say on your iPhone, because I'm using an iOS, so it will automatically go to my files, this application. And yeah, you can simply make it, or after it will basically notify you when it is done downloading, so you can automatically convert it into an application to use on your iPhone. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. This is how you can easily install the Aviator Predictor application on your phone. It could either be an iOS and Android, so please don't worry that I have done this process on an iOS, it meaning it could not be done on an Android. The steps are the same. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.